Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the saturation of your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the new project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner. Select a video from your device and tap to the video clip. You go to the adjust section next to the canvas button and click to the fourth option at the bottom of the page, the exposure, and just pile the line on the scales and you can set the exposure. And if you don't, just click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.